Okay, I decided to show one of my videos, or show a video of one of my setups that I particularly like. Um, you do a simple little coordinate puzzle to find out where it's at, nothing hard, just to kind of keep some of the beginners and muggles away. And then you come across this. That's my size 13 boot to help show scale. Large chain from Home Depot with one of the dial locks on there that's keyed. And it's actually welded to the ammo can. And for the locks I use just cheap padlocks. I may not even own the keys for them anymore. But when you show up, there's a thing that says cache site, please read, tells you about geocaching, you found it. And there's a padlock on the outside. I give you the combination of this. I could have added another puzzle, but decided not to. Then when you show up here, you have a puzzle box. Nothing bad. I think it's something I even saw in the group here at one point. But you have to open it up to get the combination lock because the log is inside there. I don't know. I really like the whole nested puzzle, the one to find the cache, and then the puzzle box to get inside the container holding the logbook. But it's been pretty favorited. I've got 3 of these out in the wild and nobody messes with them. Thanks, guys.